Welcome back to my channel. To make this mixture, first you have to blend 2 bananas with an egg. Make sure you have blended well. It's better if you can use a blender. Make sure pieces will not remaining after you blended it. After that, apply it into your hair. You can use coconut oil for this mixture. Make sure to apply it for every curl. After you apply it, put a small knot with using a band and apply more into the scalp. And using a shower cap, cover your hair so the moisture can keep for a long time. You can wait for 2 hours, or if you have more time you can keep it for more time. So this is my hair after 2 hours. You can use it any hair serums or gel for make it messy free.